I'm Andrea, and this is the Coin Couch. G'day everyone and welcome to the Coin Couch. Well, I'm super pumped about today's coin because it really is something that matches with my energy at the moment and kind of goes with the theme and where I'm going with life. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here is the coin in question. I have to say, first up, the box is super cool with that gold glaze over the top. Very nice. And I think we'll just jump right in, shall we? Now you may know this is a Perth Mint product. We're about to find that out in a minute, of course, when we see the iconic black swan logo there. The iconic black swan from Perth, of course. And those well-known Perth boxes. So we'll start off with our certificate. Here we go, 1 ounce gold proof coin. Lovely images there. And we've got some more information about the coin itself, about the wonderful Laughing Buddha. We're about to see him very close up shortly. I love this theme. I think it's fantastic. And hey, who doesn't need luck, wealth, and prosperity? Especially at the moment. Let's take a closer look. So as I mentioned before, it is 1 ounce gold. You have a value of $100 there, which is fantastic. And there is that cool mintage, 288. And I'm pretty sure they would have done that 88 on purpose because 8 is a lucky number, of course, in Chinese culture, because it's endless, the number 8. You don't lose any power out of any side of the number. It just keeps going, which is pretty cool. So let's pop that to the side and get into the reason we're all here. Oh, I just love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at that. Fantastic. I love the sun behind the Buddha. I love the coins that he's sitting on. You have inscribed in the back there, background, Laughing Buddha. And doesn't he just look so happy? Fantastic. Oh, that's awesome. So the Laughing Buddha is considered to be happy, exuberant, reincarnation of the famous philosopher. Just fantastic. The spirit is associated with happiness, contentment, and abundance in all matters. We've all got to strive for. So there we go. On the other side we have Queen Elizabeth II. As I mentioned before, $100 value. It is a 2021 coin, so you may have seen this out and about, but you haven't seen it on the Coin Couch yet. And you may not have seen it out of its capsule. There we go. Very gentle with all of these things. Oh. Let's have a little close look. That's how high that is raised. So it really is a 3D Jade Buddha there. And look at the craftsmanship there on this coin. Absolutely brilliant. Now jade is considered to be the royal gemstone, and it symbolizes beauty, purity, and virtue. So if that doesn't align with the Buddha, then I don't know what does. This coin is absolutely awesome. Fantastic. Let me know what you think about this coin in the comments. I really do like the theme of it. And I think if you were going to get any kind of coin for luck in your collection, this is definitely one of the ones. And to be honest, I'm quite tempted. This may not be staying with the company. I might have to borrow this coin from Ian-K. Well, I hope you enjoyed having a better look at that coin. It is also available in silver, which is pretty cool. But I have to say, I do like the gold. I'm seriously considering getting this and perhaps putting it near my computer so I can see it every day. I love the fact that the Buddha is sitting on money, which is also appealing to me at the moment. But just generally the idea of Buddha and feeling good in life matches with where I'm at the moment. So I think that would be a nice addition to the desktop. That's all for today. Thanks again, always, to EMK for letting me film here in the office. Make sure you check out the Coin Couch and EMK on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And we'll see you next time here on the Coin Couch. Bye.